person's life is a long, quiet cultivation, not unlike a field resting under the pale watch of a winter sun. For centuries, we measured time by the harvest. Spring, summer, fall. The rhythm was given to us. The countryside knew this. The city forgot. When the machines arrived, they promised freedom from the soil. They promised speed, scale, progress. But the machines didn't just change how we worked. They changed how we saw. A blade sharpened by hand holds memory. Every stroke against the stone is a conversation with the past. But a machine has no memory. It only knows repetition. This is not a judgment. This is an observation. Every radical change in production, the plow, the printing press, the factory, the algorithm, is met with the same resistance. Not because people fear the new, but because the new unmakes the world they know how to navigate. The countryside was not romantic. It was brutal, but it was legible. The city is built on extraction. We pull minerals from the earth. We pull people from the land. We pull data from behavior. Each time we tell ourselves, this time will be different. This time, we will control it. But the reaper comes regardless. Not as a thief, as a gatherer of what has been perfected. The old world doesn't die. It's absorbed into the new. Its rituals become artifacts. Its labor becomes nostalgia. We are living through another harvest now. The machines are learning to see, to write, to create. And once again we ask, what is left for us to tend? The answer is the same as it always was. We tend the details, the manners, the sharpening of the blade, the organization of one's home. Because disaster doesn't start in the grand gestures, it starts in the details we choose to ignore. But it also begins in the details we choose to preserve. The harvest continues. It always has. We just hold the blade differently now.